Hey Wolverines, happy Tuesday. It's Tuesday, April 6th, 2021. And for our first Tuesday of the month, we'll be doing our PBIS assembly. So we'll start with our school song. For the month of April, our focus is going to be on being safe. We are going to be seeing more people, more kids in our schools, and we want to make sure that we're being safe. So it's important that we give ourselves space from each other. We're keeping our hands and feet to ourselves. Also, it's important that we wear our mask correctly. Remember, when we put our mask on, it goes over your mouth and over your nose. So I shouldn't see your nose or your mouth when you're wearing your mask. You want to make sure it's nice and tight. If yours is too big, you can ask your teacher. We have some kid-size ones available at school. You want to make sure that we're keeping our bodies on the right side when we're walking in the hallways, that your eyes are facing forward, and so are your bodies. It's also going to be really important that we're washing our hands often and sanitizing. Every time we go into a new space, we're sanitizing our hands. These are some ways that help to keep us safe. I know these are things we've been practicing for a while now, and as you get more comfortable, sometimes we forget that we're supposed to be keeping those masks on. We're supposed to be giving ourselves airplane arms away from each other. So we're really going to be looking for this in the month of April. And when your teacher sees you doing these safe behaviors, you're going to be seeing some of these. I know a lot of you have already seen many pride paws and starting to get those celebrations in your classroom. As a school, we are going to be working on one big celebration. And I'm going to take you on a little trip to show you how you can find out more about it. Let's go. Oh, see? Remember I said sometimes we forget. Miss Hellengren just forgot. I'm going in the hallway. So I need to make sure my mask is on over my nose and my mouth. All right, so now when you're in the hallway, you might pass by the office. And on the office window, you can see this big battery here. And our job as a school is to fill it up. We have Pride Paw celebrations earned in Miss Ace's room, Miss Brandt's room, Miss Anderson's room, and Miss Brecker's room. Once this whole battery is filled up, you will earn a whole school-wide celebration. And what that's going to be is right here. We are going to be playing West Middleton Bingo as a whole school. Look at those things on there. Does anybody see Willie? How about Miss Creek? Can you find her? Or Puppy? Snail? It's going to be really fun. So I want you to be working extra hard, earning those pride paws so that we can have a school-wide celebration. All right? Your teachers will be on the lookout for you doing those safe behaviors. Next up, Wolverines, we have our new affirmation for the month of April and our Wolverine chant.
There is no one better to be than
than myself.
There's no one better to be myself.
I am enough.
I am enough.
I get better every single day.
I get better every single day.
I am an amazing person.
I am an amazing person.
I am a leader.
I am a leader.
My challenges help me grow.
My challenges help me grow.
I choose my own attitude.
I choose my own attitude.
I'm choosing to have an amazing day.
I'm choosing to have an amazing day.
I am safe, yes I am. I'm responsible, yes I am. I'm respectful, yes I am. I'm a learner, yes I am. I'm a Wolverine who follows the Wolverine way. Yes, I am.
That's it, Wolverines, for our April PBS Assembly. Remember, we are looking for safe behaviors, making sure those masks are up. We are staying 6 feet apart and washing those hands and sanitizing all the time. So let's end today with our Pledge of Allegiance. If you would like to join in, you can stand up, place your hand on your heart, and say along with me. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Have a wonderful Tuesday, everybody.